Every day, people are losing trust in police. Why is that, folks? This video is a perfect example of why that's happening. Police officers think that it's okay that they can make mistakes. It's a learning curve. We learn from every call. That's not true, folks. They should already know that people have rights. Many officers that I encounter don't know the First Amendment. Many folks that I ask don't know the First Amendment, and that's why we have a lot of issues. It isn't a learning curve like this woman officer says in this video. It's pure ignorance of the First Amendment. Watch this video, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll give my final thoughts. Here we go, folks.
So this is a learning curve for you? Putting guns to an innocent person back, that's a learning curve.
I'm not saying that, I'm just saying, I said every call, there's something to learn.
That's a learning curve. You put guns to my back, that's a learning curve for you? That's a learning curve. You put guns to my back. That's a learning curve. I could have died. And that's a fucking learning curve for you? A learning curve. A learning curve? Really? A learning curve? A learning curve? That's a learning curve. They put guns to my back.
Okay.
That's a learning curve?
Okay.
A learning curve? Really? A learning curve. This is my life. And you want to talk about your fucking education? A learning curve? Why are you wiping the surveillance video?
Ma'am, I can't elaborate on our investigation.
Why are you wiping the surveillance video?
Watch it. We're not allowed to wipe it.
I just heard you say until you finish wiping the surveillance video.
You misheard. Hey, the female that came out of 225 was running a
What's your best contact?
They had guns to my fucking back, y'all.
Many folks don't know this because it's not usually pointed out, especially in mainstream media. In order for police officers to keep support of the people, they use propaganda like the Blue Line flag, and they use slogans like Back to Blue. Many people are hip to it, and they're figuring out that you gotta be quite ignorant to think that all police officers are good. A gun and a badge does not automatically mean that you can do no wrong. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're dropping videos every day that we can all learn from. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.